Hello my friends, and today I have a very quick and inexpensive Dollar Tree craft. Here are the things I'm going to use. I only spent $6.25 on this craft, and it's because I decorated my master bathroom in the colors gray, lavender, and purple, and I needed something for one of the walls, so I picked a few things up and let's start this project. I'm going to use this little wooden crate as a fence, and I'm painting it in white with the apple barrel paint. We will not be using the glass on the frame for this project, and the next step is totally optional because I had a piece of foam board left over from a previous project, and I'm going to use that to make the backing a little bit sturdier. If you don't have foam board, you can just use any cardboard for that. And I'm going to use some of this sticky paper to cover the backing. You can use paint if you'd rather instead of the sticky paper, and I chose a gray backing, and because like I said, those are the colors I'm using on the bathroom. Next, I am going to remove the glass and put the backing back into the frame and securing it in the back. I found a beautiful sticker at Dollar Tree which says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me," and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the top of the frame. Look how beautiful that is. I just love that very much. And then I'm going to hot glue the little wooden crate to the frame, and then I'm going to start decorating it with the lavender flowers and a little of the baby breath I had left over from my other project. So that's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I think it turned out really cute. I'm going to show you how it looks on my wall, and that's it. So I hope to see you in my next video. You take care. See you soon. Bye.